Let's shift gears and talk a little bit about the parts of the application. I'm interested to hear your thoughts on the personal statement, what advice you give applicants, what common mistakes you see.
Yeah. So I mean, first and foremost, in the personal statement, biggest mistake I always see is bad punctuation or grammar. So that's the first thing I always mention to students is always make sure you're proofreading it and always have others proofread it. We get a situation where some students might either edit it so much that they lose their voice, or edit it so much that they lose their voice, so to speak. And so having them look over, typically we always recommend having one person look over the grammatical side and then have another person look over it who knows you pretty well, to see if they hear your voice in that. For me, hearing person's voice through their personal statement is really important. That writing style is important. Although fundamentally in law school, we rewrite how you're going to write, so to speak. But overall, I would say punctuation and grammar is vital. It shows how much time you're putting into it. Um, I read people posting online, and I miss one small grammatical error, and they start to freak out and think it's end all be all. That's not going to be a big deal, but continuous mispunctuation, miscapitalization, just fundamentals will get noticed. So that would be the first. But I think the most important thing, like I kind of talked a little bit about, is really letting that voice shine through. The rest of the application is very sterile, and so we don't get to know you. It provides a 2 to 3 page viewport that we can learn who you are, what makes you tick, what you think about law, those type of things. And so that can be really beneficial. So you don't want to lose yourself in that as you go through your process of writing it.
Thanks for that. So of course, like the mistakes in terms of grammar, punctuation, those you can get solved pretty easily. You could have a friend look it over or even hire an editor just to do a surface level check on that. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.